Hi guys, it's Ashley, your favorite protective style and wellness coach, and I want to talk about how hair care reflects self-love and confidence, right? Most of the time, when you have your hair done, you feel good. Your confidence is through the roof. You make better choices and better decisions. You protect your energy. You just feel great and you feel amazing. But when your hair isn't done, you don't want to go hang out. You don't want to be bothered. You don't want to speak to people. You don't even want to be seen. And so that's why hair care is so close directly to self love and confidence. Because appearance, I don't want to say is everything, but is everything, right? When you meet people, when you greet people, the first thing they look at is your appearance. And unfortunately, but fortunately, you are judged by just that. And so, in order to get things done, in order to be your best self, in order to show yourself love, you should always take care of your hair. I remember when I was going through my situation, and the last thing I thought about was doing my hair because I wasn't happy. I wasn't healthy. I wasn't whole. I definitely lost my confidence and I just wasn't feeling myself. So, why would I want to get my hair done when I'm already feeling down? Now we know a new hairdo can definitely boost your confidence, change your attitude about things in life. But sometimes it just doesn't, or sometimes that's just not enough. You have to pull yourself out of whatever is holding you back in order for you to be well and also receive good things that you deserve, like getting your hair done, styling the hair the way you want it to be, and looking your best at all times. So I challenge you to get a schedule and put on it weekly, bi weekly, monthly, the day that you're going to pamper yourself, you're going to take care of yourself, and you're going to get your hair done. Make it a habit, put it into your lifestyle. Watch how everything changes for you. If you didn't feel beautiful or cute before, you're going to feel stunning and amazing. Stop taking care of everybody but yourself. Okay? And let me know in the comment box below what's the date of the month that you're going to keep get your hair done, whether it's twice a month, four times a month, or once a month. Comment in the box below.